All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these strong drawstring trash bags. You get 120 in here. There's 6 rolls with 20 in each roll. They're 30 liters, 8 gallons. Good for your choice. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room. Same picture there. And then no smell. It uses high quality PE material. Bag body is strong and tough with good tensile strength. Bag has a large sealing capacity and will not easily break. And value solid big rolls. So let's open these up, take a look at them. You get, like it said, 6 rolls, 20 bags in each roll. And look at that, just nicely taped. Roll one out and then just tear it off. And then you're able to open up your trash bag. These are 8-gallon, so they're for a little bit smaller trash cans. But very nice drawstrings, as it said. Wow. I mean, like, I'm really pulling. Okay, I give it credit. Very, very strong bag. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it for the box. So again, special thanks to this company for sending me these strong drawstring trash bags. I can definitely say they're actually very strong. I had to use a lot of strength to pull that, and it still didn't break. So thanks to them for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.